Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to turn on 4K Samsung TV. Let's go. There are several ways to turn on 4K on a Samsung TV. First way, turn on 4K in the player settings. You can change the resolution in any player, on YouTube, Netflix, Hulu and so on. Open video. Settings, resolution and select 4K. Second way, enable 4K in settings. Press mute 119 OK. Press 1, 2, 3, 4. Option. MRT option. Resolution. Select UHD. Turn off TV and turn on TV. Done. That's it. Now you know how to turn on 4K Samsung TV. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.